let's make some Dole Whip. They released the recipes.
They released recipes for the Dole Whip, what she said. So we're gonna have a try at this. And let me just say, the last 2 videos I tried to make, I need some Dole Whip, so let's go.
Okay, so the recipe's a lot simpler than I thought. It's 1 scoop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. We go for the good stuff. I do. Then we do 2 cups of frozen pineapple and 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Put it in a blender, blend it up, and there you go.
I think Disney said that they use non-dairy ice cream or something. I can't really remember what it was, but I think it was non-dairy.
Here's my 1 big scoop of ice cream. But you can never have too much ice cream, especially when it's fried. 2 cups frozen pineapple. You may need an actual blender. You may want a bigger blender than we have, but we don't use the blender very often, so we have the bullet. And 4 ounces of pineapple juice. All right, here we go.
It's not mixing that well.
Okay, since we don't have a full-size blender, I'm going to stir it up and mix it up a little bit. Again, probably wouldn't need to do this in a bigger blender, but you work with what you have. Let's see. It could get, no, it still has pineapple chunks.
Dole Whip isn't normally that runny, is it?
No, it's kind of like ice cream. And there we have it. Alrighty. That's probably as Dole Whippy as I'm gonna get. I had to actually leave some of the pineapples out because I ran out of room. That probably would have made it a little bit thicker. And
Try bite.
Dole Whip.
Does it take you straight to Magic Kingdom?
I wish, but it's the next best thing.
Man, that was really good. I suggest you guys run out there, get these ingredients. There's only like 3. Throw it in the blender, mix it together, and you're gonna get a little taste of Disney World. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be doing some food recipe things for the next couple weeks or so while this whole quarantine thing's in effect. So if you wanna see some cool Disney recipes, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And then later on, once this quarantine lifts, we're gonna hit the parks up. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's game over.